Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a spotlight that follows you. It's really simple, just one script. If you want the spotlight to only be visible to your player and only be the spotlight that is visible to you, that is your spotlight. If you want your spotlight to only be visible to you and you can only see your spotlight, then you can set the run context to client. Then the spotlight script will behave like a local script. And if you set it to legacy, it will behave like a normal script. In the spotlight script, you can set the range, angle, and brightness to however you want, the shadows to false or true. And that's pretty much it. So let's test it out. As you can see, you can't see my spot. Look, there's a spotlight on me. If I go into the cave, you'll see it. Or you can already see it now. This dummy I just made for testing. But now you can see that there's a spotlight that's following me. And if I go into here, I can just find that little part in there. The light part. And, oh wait, ignore that original size there. You can see the light follow. It is up here right now. And it has a spotlight and a light follow. And if I go into the cave, it can see everything. Notice that this world constraint is here, which just connects my humanoid root part and the light part together. So that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, then like or unsubscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials, and bye.